Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain Laravel VS Code setup. First, ensure you have Visual Studio Code installed on your system. Next, install PHP and Composer, which are fundamental for any Laravel project. Don't forget Node.js and NPM for front-end asset compilation. Finally, install the Laravel installer globally via Composer to quickly scaffold new projects. These initial steps lay the groundwork for a smooth and efficient development experience, setting you up for success from the very beginning. To enhance your coding experience, several VS Code extensions are indispensable. PHP IntelliFence offers intelligent code completion and linting, saving you valuable time. Laravel Blade Snippets provides excellent syntax highlighting and snippets for your Blade templates. .env ensures your environment files are properly highlighted and formatted. Lastly, Git Lens significantly improves your Git workflow directly within the editor, offering powerful insights and navigation for version control. Debugging is crucial, so configure Xdebug for step-by-step debugging, allowing you to pinpoint issues with precision. Leverage the integrated terminal for running artisan commands, streamlining your development tasks. For a consistent and isolated environment, consider installing Docker Desktop to containerize your applications. Furthermore, for collaborative efforts, utilize LiveShare, enabling real-time coding sessions with team members, making pair programming seamless and efficient. To truly optimize your workflow, customize VS Code settings to create a personalized environment that suits your preferences. Create custom key bindings for frequently used commands, boosting your efficiency by several percentage points. Implement task runners for automating repetitive processes, saving you precious minutes each day. Finally, explore remote development features for seamless server-side work, allowing you to develop directly on a remote machine with the full power of your local VS Code setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.